Apparently little video monitor isn't going to let it change while I'm on the same video, so I'm just going to add a new one. Okay. So here is the diagram, first of all, of the quantum fields. Okay. What you all would understand to be so-called outer space. Okay. Now, what I'm showing you here is this. Let me get my pen. Pardon me. Let me get my pen. I apologize. Okay, outer space, right here. Okay. It's made to seem like this goes on forever, but it doesn't. Okay. You have quantum fields of magnetic energy right here, excuse me, and right here. Okay. And then basically like an electron field for a cell, or at least what they pretend is. Okay. But this is basically the quantum realms of things. Okay. Now they have fake, by the way, here's like their fake planet or their fake moon crap. And then you have like, they have two magnetic lines. So that'd be alpha and beta. And this is their G in the middle. Okay. What they pretend is their little G spot, right? UVG, then UVA and UVB. Okay. What they're looking for is 4D. Okay. Which is out here. Well, but they can't get to it. Okay. Until the galaxy arms open. Okay. So that's what's going on right now. And actually, all they're going to try and do is mirror it. They don't actually have it. Okay. So what they're doing is waiting for us to be able to go, but we already have this. They don't know that. They do now, but whatever. It doesn't matter. They can't get to it. They have not figured out how to get to this realm. So what they're trying to do is wait until the galaxy arms open. Okay. So that they have these ports to go from G to A to B. You see here, right? Okay. And then to D. So it would jump, okay? So this is basically UVG is basically C, okay? So what they call, like on a piano, middle C, this is this, okay? Then they have A, B, and they're looking for D, okay? So let me mark those, and I'll show you what I mean, okay? But basically what happens is, here, let me do this here so you can see this. This is UVG, or C. This is UVA, and this is UVB, and they're looking for UVD. Okay? All right. Pardon me for a minute. Okay, so what's happening is C is an after. C is where it comes from. 1, 2, 3. Right? So they're wanting UVD. Okay. What happens is when the galaxy arms open up, you get stargates. Okay. So what happens is when you have a stargate, like what they'll, and there's actually a movie called Stargate to show you what that's about. Okay. So what happens is you get these ports that open because the galaxy arms moved, and they're trying to jump to this UVD. That's what they're waiting for in Saturn. They thought they had it in Saturn, but they don't. Okay. So all they have is UVC, which they're calling G, UVA, and UVB, okay, which is actually UVP, but that's a long story. And UVA isn't A either, but that's a whole nother ball of wax. And I don't want to get into that right yet. We're starting at the beginning, okay? So then they're trying to get to UVD, but they're not going to, okay? So as I'm saying, these are like electron fields, like what they show you in fake science. But the concept of it is still correct. But that's their holographic stuff. Okay? So this is how quantum fields work. This is how outer space works. Okay? So this is outer space. Outer space is between these magnetic lines, these quantum fields. Okay? Now I'm going to switch over so that, because this isn't going to let me keep going, I'll switch over to another video to show you the difference. Okay?